Have you ever gone to get in your Tesla, gotten there, and noticed this like oil, gross, slimy film on the exterior of your windows, on the black trim that's there? Apparently, this is a problem that happens a lot, because I've seen this all over a ton of Tesla forums. People wanting to know, what is it, and how do you get rid of it? Well, today, we're gonna help you with both of those. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got a quick, simple, and easy one for you guys. If you've ever gone to go in your Tesla and you went to go open up your door and you saw your black trim has like an oily type of discoloration to it, you know, it kind of turns a little blue / purplish. Guess what? We happen to have the problem too. I know right now you're probably thinking, dude, your Tesla's like insanely dirty. We've had this oil substance all over our black trim for the last few weeks. And before I clean the car and get it all off, I needed to show you guys how to, first of all, what it looks like and how to get rid of it. So let me show you what I'm talking about here. We're talking about this. This is your black exterior trim that goes around the windows. This oily type of substance that's here. It is all over all of our driver's side trim as well as our passenger side. It just gives you that like oil type of glow, that bluish purplish type. Now apparently this happens, and this is a common thing, if you take your Tesla to a car wash. Now if you've watched this channel before, you've seen that we are against car washes with Teslas. You got to wash them in your driveway at home. We've even gone to one of the most premier detailing shops out there with Menards Premium Detailing and shown you exactly how to wash your car. If you haven't seen that one, check it out. It's right here. And Grant shows you all the great tips and tricks on how to clean it. But look, every once in a while, you don't have the time to be able to pull everything out, grab your power washer, grab your 3 buckets, and do the whole car wash in your driveway. Sometimes your car's really dirty and you just gotta squeeze a quick cleaning in there and you do head to the car wash. Now, if you do go to a car wash, make sure you are only using a touchless car wash. Never go to one of those automatic car washes where it takes you in and all the brushes get on the car. That's gonna put huge swirls in your paint. Tesla paint is not very durable, we all know that, but if you go to a touchless wash, here or there, it's okay. As Grant said,
the chemicals that they put in these car washes though, but even on touchless washes, are super aggressive. That's why they don't have to touch the car.
Okay.
So think about what those chemicals are doing when they spray your vehicle.
I'm sure. You gotta remember, those touchless washes are getting rid of all of that dirt and grime that bakes onto your car without actually physically touching it. So it's a pretty harsh chemical that they're using in order to accomplish that. That's exactly what you see on that window trim. For us, I use a touchless car wash. It's actually right around the corner from our house. It uses that triple foam polish. That is exactly the film on the black exterior trim. That polish that stays on there, and it just adds a discoloration. Now the good news is it's a very easy fix. Word on the street is if you use some WD-40 and just wipe down the black, not only will it get rid of it, but it'll keep it away from coming back.
Say what?
So it's a real easy solution on being able to just get rid of it. Sounds pretty simple to get rid of. So we're gonna check it out and we're gonna test it right now. Let me grab my WD-40 and a cloth and let's get rolling. We got our trusty can of WD-40. I feel like this stuff is like, does everything. Like the amount of different applications that this has, it's kind of crazy. Here is our rag. We're gonna go ahead and spray on some WD-40. Let's go ahead and start up here because this is kind of where I feel like it's easiest to see. And look at that. It's gone.
What? No way.
Holy smokes. It really does just get rid of it completely. They say you only want to make sure you get this on the black. You don't want to get it on your paint. I don't think it'll damage the paint. I mean, it's just a lubricant, but I'm sure it's probably not good for your paint. Making sure we're only getting it on the black. I mean, instantly you can see that, yeah, it's completely gotten rid of it. when wet, it would kind of disappear anyway. So let's go ahead and give this a few minutes to dry and see if it stays gone once this is dried. Let's go to the other side and let's wipe down the other side while that's drying. I'm super amazed by this. It's completely gone. Not only is it totally gone, but the black actually looks like super shiny and slick. So this is the side we just did. I mean, as you can see, it's black and shiny and looks beautiful. No sign of that oil or substance. Let's go check out the other side, the passenger side that we started with. Holy smokes, look at that. It is gorgeous. It's completely gone. Especially like here, I noticed it was really bad right here behind the side view mirror. It was always really, really bad, and it's completely gone. And this is totally dry, and it's gone. That's unbelievable. There you have it, guys. Trick confirmed. I mean, who doesn't have a can of WD-40 laying around? Look, you should always be trying to take excellent care of your Tesla, but we all know there are just times where life just becomes really busy and it becomes extremely difficult to be able to do that, and you just gotta squeeze one of those really quick car washes in. Now you don't have to worry about, if you do have to do such a thing, as long as it's touchless, you don't have to worry about that anymore. As soon as you get home, WD-40 that bad boy, and it is good to go. Thanks for watching as always, guys. Hey, do me a favor, if you found this video helpful at all, please make sure to chuck a like on the video. It always helps us with the YouTube algorithm. And if you own a Tesla or you're thinking about buying a Tesla, you should definitely be subscribed to the channel if you're not already. Hit that subscribe button down below. We always have a bunch of great Tesla content. Thanks for watching as always, guys, and we will see you in another one real soon.